Woo!
Do you smoke after sex?
I don't know, baby. I never looked.
Austin! What should we do now?
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we shag?
Again?
Sure, baby. We're only up to chapter 11 in the Kama Sutra. Don't you want to try the wheelbarrow, or the praying donkey, or the Chinese shag swing?
I'm gonna get us some more champagne, Jungle Boy. I'm gonna get us some more champagne, Jungle Boy.
Are you okay?
I've never felt better, Austin.
All right, then. I'm just gonna go watch a movie. Hey, In Like Flint! That's my favorite movie! Vanessa, what's going on?
I don't know what you mean, Austin. I'm the same as the next. You must be left.
Tu imaginación está jugando con ti, querido.
Oh my God! Vanessa, you're a fembot!
No shit, Sherlock.
Machine gun gublies? How did I miss those, baby?
Perhaps next time you should try foreplay.
Here's your wedding present, Mr. Powers. A kamikaze bride from me, Dr. Evers.